ẹni pa gúnugún ìpọ́jọ́ ẹni pa kàlàmàgbò kì í pọ́ṣù. Ìjẹ tí ẹ jẹ tẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ má jẹ dágunró o. Ọmọ tó bá ní ìyá òun ò ní sùn ojú òun náà ò ní kanrú o. Àgbà Ponzi, owó mi dà, owó mi dà, where is my money? Where my money? My money no go let you chop o. E go shock you o. Àgbà Ponzi, owó mi dà.
Run o.
Owó mi dà, where my money? Owó mi dà, owó mi dà. So I cannot sleep in peace again in my own house. Àmà wá ṣe nǹkan o. Before I close my eyes small to sleep, the next thing I find myself inside the bush with a scary looking witch threatening my life, asking for her money. Ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí. I think I need to go and see this Baba at Molete. Yes, I need to go and see a native doctor, that strong native doctor at Molete. Yes, let day just break small. I'm going straight there. This witch will go and kill me one day. I'll just sleep and not wake up again. Kamari, èèwọ̀ òrìṣà. Gúnugún òkè kúléwé. Màá dàgbà máa darúgbó jù báyìí lọ. Èèwọ̀ òrìṣà.
Bẹ́jà bá sọ lómi àrílẹ̀ omi. Bárọ̀ gidigba bá sọ nísàlẹ̀ odò àrílẹ̀ odò. Làáhàn mi ni bàtà ń ké lótùú fẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ǹgà. Ògún lákàáyé ọ̀sìn mọ́lẹ̀. Olómi ń lé fẹ̀jẹ̀wẹ̀. Ọ̀làṣọ ń lé fi mọ̀kímọ̀ bóra. Èṣù láàlú ògiri òkú. Abániwọ́rọ̀ bá ò rí dá. Gbogbo ohun tó bá sú mi lójú báyìí ni kẹ́ ẹ fi hàn mí o. All the secret behind the bad dream of this man, I need you to show me now.
Bá a fẹ́ mọ lójú àríran ọ̀jẹ̀lá. Bá a fẹ́ mọ lójú àríran ọ̀jẹ̀lá.
The spirits have spoken to me. They say that the young lady that you see in your dream, you are holding her money. Her money is with you. And if you don't refund her money, she is going to kill you before the next 30 days. You have to return her money to her. She's a very high-ranking witch emeritus. You see that I put emeritus in front of her witchcraft. She is not a child in terms of this witchcraft. Go and return her money to her.
Orí ìyá mi ò mo dáràn. Àmà wá ṣe nǹkan. Bàbá, that is the reason I came to you. You understand? I am a Ponzi man. That is what I do for a living. I collect people's money and run away for a living. Are you hearing me? So when you say there is a lady that I collected her money, how will I trace her? You need to help me to identify this person so that I can return her money to her. Please help me to ask the gods what is the name of this woman. Then I will call a meeting of all my top networkers that we work together to investigate which one of them referred her to our Ponzi. Please help me ask for her name. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má jẹ́ n kú báyìí.
Do not worry yourself at all. The gods have already answered. They have given me all the details you need to trace this woman. They said I should tell you that the last scam that you ran, the last Ponzi that you ran, that just collapsed recently, it is in that scam that this woman lost her money to you. Yes. And they said that her name is Kafayatu Ajelabi. Kafayatu Ajelabi. So those that you are working together with, all those your Ponzi networkers and promoters, ask them, who is Kafayatu Ajelabi? Just go and return her money to her.
Kafayatu Ajelabi. I will call for an immediate meeting with all my top network marketers. My IT man will be with us. We will reopen the website that we have closed before, and we will search for that name in our database. Let me first of all ask my networkers which one of them brought her into the system, so that we can plan our refund as soon as possible. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Allah ti ṣe mi. Your ma ti ṣe ara mi. Ẹ ṣé. Hey, my people, sorry for the emergency call. It was impromptu and it was very urgent. You all seated here are the top network marketers and influencers that help me to promote my Ponzi, and we all eat the money together. Shotiye. Now I have a very simple question. This meeting should not take more than 5 minutes. Please, who is the Olori Buruku Kenima Nitaye ti Baje? Who is that network marketer that referred one Kafayatu Ajelabi to the last Ponzi that we run? If you know that you are our upline that brought her into this business, jejely identify yourself now so that this meeting can be concluded very fast. Who is the person? Who is the upline of Kafayatu Ajelabi? Why all of you keeping quiet? Was it a ghost that referred Kafayatu Ajelabi to this business ni? Or is there any leader that is not represented here? You are all the network marketers that help me to promote my Ponzi. If I show you my true color, a side of me you have never seen before, it go shock you. What do you mean? See, if the person that referred Kafayatu Ajelabi does not identify themselves now, I will lock up this building and set it on fire. Let all of us die together. You people want to kill me, Abi? Who is the upline of Kafayatu Ajelabi? IT man, open your computer and check the genealogy. Check the team of all the top leaders and fish out Kafayatu Ajelabi. If the person does not want to talk, since you say you want to waste our time here, you want the IT man to start fishing her out, speak up now.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Baba.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Look, don't baba me. If you have anything to say, open up your mouth and say it.
Do they use your generation to play?
I just want to tell you that the woman that I brought is Kafi Ajelabi was the one that I brought. Although I think that is the short form of Kafayatu. So let's just assume that I was the one that brought her.
Not be juju be that.
Look man. Ayé ti bàjẹ́. Ayé ti laba. Ó ti laba sketchy. So you were the one that referred Kafayatu Ajelabi to this business. And since our Ponzi crashed, I have not had 5 minutes of sleep. Always chasing me around in my dream. Network marketers go on Instagram to run Instagram ads to bring people into the business from Instagram. Some others go and run Facebook ads to bring people from Facebook. You went to run Coven ads to bring witches from Coven to my business. Ayé ti bàjẹ́.
God have mercy upon us.
This your witch called Kafayatu Ajelabi? Please, how much did she invest in this business that she wants to kill me? How much did she invest? Lukman, how much did Kafaya to invest?
70 years old man.
$10, sir. $10.
$10. If you don't go and return her money to her, need dollar. So it's because of $10 that Kafaya too. Agelabi, look at the name now. Shokin Somo Yobani. Agelabi means it is witch that we born. Even her parents, they know that it is witch that they born. So they give her Agelabi. Look, man, you are a terrible somebody. The last Ponzi that we did, that was how you left all the medical doctors in this town. You left all the engineer and barrister. You went to refer a native doctor to my business. When the business crashed, that man appeared to me in my room. Me that I locked the door of everywhere in my house. She appeared in my bedroom. And immediately she debited my account of the money that he invested. I got debit alert.
Photo, not be juju be that.
Baba, you did not make any transfer. Debit alert just enter your phone when the man appear.
He shock you.
Look, man, ayé ti bàjẹ́. Go and return that woman. She invested $10. Please return $1,000 to her immediately. I don't want to die. And from today, you are hereby banned from all my Ponzi. Do not ever try to promote any of my Ponzi again. You want to kill me before my time. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́. Kò ní dáa fún ẹ, wèrè.
God have mercy upon us.